As the sun rises over the village, a new day begins. The Festival of Smiles is finally here, and everyone is buzzing with excitement. Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for the happiest day of the year? Benny the Rabbit spreads joy wherever he hops, sharing smiles and laughter with friends old and new. With laughter in the air and colors all around, the village comes alive. The Festival of Smiles is about to begin. Wow, Tilly, your painting is amazing. Thank you, Benny. Art is the best way to express happiness. Art is the heart of happiness. Hey, friends, got my acorns ready for the festival. Let's make this the best one yet. I've got the decorations ready. Let's make this festival unforgettable. Together, the four friends set out to spread joy and creativity in the village. Smiles are the best gift we can share. Look at all these beautiful colors.